I remember in 2017 in one of the project, basically it was escalated. But then we as a solution architect team involved into this project and understand the requirement and build the complete architecture for the solutions and given the presentation to the stakeholders of the customers, and that streamlined the process, and subsequently we were able to deliver the solutions. So solution architecture play very significant roles for building the solution and also operating it, maintaining it scalables and overall performance, and designing the solutions to make sure that it is able to meet the business goals of the organizations. So today, with this background, I would like to share the 6 areas by which a solution can be built in a robust manner. Number 1, the business requirement. Understanding the business goals is key requirement for building the solutions or solution architecture of a solution software. So, understanding the business goals, that involves connecting with the relevant stakeholders, get the requirement, and then completely convert that business requirement into a technical design document is the first step for any solutions to build. So understanding the business requirement is number 1 pillar. Second, uh, basically the infrastructure designs, where it involves hardware, software, and some of the networking that is required to build the solutions and make it operable for the long terms. So business requirement is the number 1. Second is the uh, overall infrastructure designs. Third is the application designs, which is essentially involves that your data models, data flow, and user interface to make sure that you are able to cater the business requirement in such a user-centric way, such a consumable way, so that easily all the users can smoothly operate your software and get the benefit of your solutions. So, number 1 is the business requirement. Second is the infrastructure component. Third is the application design, and fourth is the security. Since you are building the solution in the infrastructure, that need to be make sure that nobody able to give a threat to your solution. So your overall data, overall network should be should be secure enough so that there should not be any potential challenges for data leakage and any kind of vulnerability that may occur. Fifth is overall the operation part. Once data solution is in place, it should be very easily maintainable by the end users. So operations is one of the key requirement, where overall support systems, overall the alert and audit system should be in place so that it can be easily operate and maintain in the long run. And the last but not the least is the scalability, the performance. As the business grows, our solution should able to scale it automatically so that it can support the overall volume of the data, overall volume of the users that coming to your systems, and make sure that it is able to scale it in its own way. So all in all, there are 6 areas. One is understanding the business requirement. Second is the infrastructure design. Third is application design, which involves data models, data flows, and user interface. Fourth is security, which involves some of your infrastructure security, application security, and data security. And of course, the last is fifth is your security requirement, which is, as I said, infrastructure and other stuffs. And performance is another area which you need to think for overall business goals to meet. And of course, the last but not the least is operation and maintainability. If we focus in these 6 areas for while building the solutions, it will be definitely a good solutions which can be consumed for large number of users in the long run. This is my perspective. Let me know what you think. Till then, keep learning, keep growing. Bye bye.